Akam Singh, business financing.
Hello guys, this is my video project and my name and ID number is already here. We're gonna click on split sort filter. And I already clicked on it, so yeah, make sure you click on that. And the first thing we're gonna do is create a text to column for column A so it can go to a different column. So make sure you click on column A, go to data and press text to column. And here it shows you a little preview. And right here, you want to make sure tab and comma are both selected. And then, just make sure tab and comma are selected and then hit finish. And now you have column A, B, and C. The next thing we want to do is make a custom sort, and that is on the home ribbon. And what we want to do is for our first level sort, we will change hero and organize it to A and Z. So first select on column C where hero is, and go to sort and filter and press on custom sort. And you'll most likely get this error saying if you want to expand or continue with the current selection, but we want to continue with the current selection because we want to do this column. So click on that and then click sort. And then you'll have these options. Make sure it's on C, and we want column C to be A to Z. So next, we want to make sure that our list has headers. So once you change that to A to Z, make sure it has headers, because if it doesn't, then it's going to count hero as one of the information variables, right? So make sure it has headers, and now we press OK. And now it should be from A to Z. So now our next step is we want to get last names from Z to A as a custom for it. So we're going to do the same steps. Custom sort, continue with the current selection here, sort, and we're going to change this order from Z to A and make sure the headers are still on, and then press OK, and that's what happens from Z to A. So now we got to do first name from A to Z. So we will use the same step, sort and filter, custom sort, and we got the same message. So we're going to continue with the same selection. Make sure the headers are still on again. Make sure that is on. That is very important. And then A to Z, and then OK. And now we want to make a filter for all the columns. So what we want to do is click on column A, hold on the Shift key, and hit the right tab until you get to column C. And now we want to go to filter and sort, and we want to make a filter. So just press on the filter. So now for this project, we want to display only the hero names that start with a W. So click on the first, we want to select all. And then we only want to select W's. So let me make sure I go back to that again. So yeah, select all. And then we only want the W's, and there should only be 3. So make sure you click on all 3. And then you just exit out. And this is what you have. And now we want to do the subtotals for all 3 columns. So you want to go right here and put equals subtotal. And we want to count them. So let's go ahead and type this in. Equals subtotal. We want to make sure we click on the right option. And we want to count them, so we want to click on the third option. And this is what we type in. A92 and then colon A94. Typed in A92 because it's in row A92, and then colon A94. And then close the parentheses and make sure they are highlighted. Yeah, before you click enter. And since we know already these 3 all have 3, we can just drag it from this black arrow all the way across, and it should be the same number. But you will see that the formula changed from column A to B to C. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you split, sort, and filter. And the last thing we want to do is click on File. So make sure you guys go ahead and reach File, Save As, and you change the name to Video Data. So go ahead and insert your name in here. And make sure you save it to where you want to save it. I want it on downloads. And then that's it. We're done. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial.